Today, I'll walk you through Mailchimp segments and how to use them, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and utilize segments in Mailchimp, so you can send targeted emails that resonate with your audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly, but the core functionalities remain the same. Once you're in, navigate to the Audience section. This is where you'll manage your contacts and segments. Click on the Audience tab on the left side of your screen. This is akin to opening a book to the chapter where all your contacts are stored. It's essential for your email marketing efforts. Next, click on Segments. This option allows you to create specific groups within your audience based on various criteria. Think of segments as different sections in a library, where each section caters to a specific genre or topic. Now let's create a new segment. Click on the Create Segment button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to set criteria for your segment. To refine your segment further, click on Tags. Tags are labels that help you categorize your contacts. They are like sticky notes that you can place on specific books in your library to easily identify them later. Now select or search for a tag that you want to use for your segment. For example, if you want to target customers who have previously engaged with your emails, you might look for a tag like Replied. Once you've selected your tag, click on Replied. This action will filter your audience to show only those who have interacted with your previous emails. After that, click on Review Segment. This step allows you to double-check the contacts that will be included in your segment. It's like proofreading your work before submitting it. You want to ensure everything is accurate. Next, click on Use Segment. This option will confirm your selections and prepare the segment for your email campaigns. Now it's time to name your segment. Type in a descriptive name that reflects the criteria you've set. This will help you remember the purpose of this segment in the future. Finally, click on Save and Exit. Congratulations! You can now send personalized emails based on this segment's category. Personalized communication can significantly enhance your engagement rates, making your emails more effective. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.